Okay, here's my review of the Kimo model 3302 12 volt ratchet wrench. Okay, let's see, I just got it today. It comes with sockets. I think they go from 10 millimeter up to 17 millimeter. Okay, two batteries, and they're 2 amp hour, 12 volt. Okay, a charger and the unit itself. And seems to be built pretty well. The speed is variable, so you can vary the speed of it. You can reverse the direction. Has a work light on the bottom. It also has a gauge to tell you how much juice is left in the battery. Oh, it's a pretty decent unit. I used it to loosen a couple bolts and tighten a couple, and it works pretty well. I recommend it for the price. Not bad. Okay, that's it.